Ladies and gentlemen, get ready. Here he comes. Keep your eyes on Skip Stuart and Prometheus right on takeoff into knife-edge flight. Anybody else take off like that? Skip named his aircraft Prometheus, which means forethought. Of course, Prometheus was the rebellion titan who displeased Zeus by taking from him and giving to the people of Earth the power of fire. And the name matches the design with his hot ride style flame on the front of this aircraft. Flashing maneuvers and Skip's forethought for a crowd-pleasing routine. Watch this, ladies and gentlemen. Skip Stuart coming across the top, snapping the aircraft, tumbling, points the nose down. Back on the stick once again, Skip Stuart. A 4-point roll on the vertical upline. Watch his airspeed begins to bleed off. Holds another prop, still holding at the last moment. Kicks in left rudder, and not a one, but a double hammerhead. Back down on the deck, pulling on the stick. Prometheus climbs up in the blue over Fort Smith. As he comes across, that is 1, 2, 3. A triple avalanche loop. Stuart, pulling back, snapping the aircraft on the vertical upline. Watch this as the airspeed bleeds off once again. He holds another prop, rolls it over. Now as he comes down to 45, looks like he's tumbling down like a leaf. Almost dusting off the runway as he pulls it up. Again, snaps on the vertical upline. Over the top. Now watch as Skip's really got Prometheus wound up. Back on the stick, up to 45. To the right, to the left, snap rolls. Back to the inverted. Coming in from your right this time.
Hit the side. I've been too long. I'm glad to be back. Yes,
Incredible roll rate of this aircraft again. Highly modified. This aircraft has a climb rate of almost 4,000 feet per minute. Snapping the aircraft again all the way down once, twice, into the inverted. Negative G's as he comes down to the bottom. Pulling, pushing actually to stick forward this time. The force of gravity is trying to force Skip out the top of the cockpit. Now watch this. Oh my gosh. The world's smallest Humpty Bump. Quickly getting the aircraft repositioned to your right. This aircraft has a maximum level speed of 200 miles an hour. Stall speed of only 58 miles an hour. This is an all-muscle biplane as Skip comes back around from your right. Aircraft back. That's pure engine power pulling Skip into the skies over Fort Smith. And talk about an aircraft that takes a lot of maneuverability and a lot of skill, rolling and turning at the same time. The horsepower on this aircraft has been increased to 400, and a big 3-bladed prop Mounted on the front of this aircraft, again, that Skip affectionately calls Prometheus. Skip scouts him altitude this time. He is really going to wind it up. Watch as he points the nose down. Here comes all that airspeed. Upside down. An 8-point roll on the front. He has got Prometheus wound up. Pulls back on the stick. Aircraft going straight up. Now into the torque roll. The plane rolling in the opposite direction of the propeller. Still rolling. Still going as the airspeed literally goes to 0. Right there, Skip is hanging in the air. Look at this. Still holding, and now only begin to slide back on his own tail. Still falling, and now the nose rolls over. Woo! Skip giving everything he's got out there today. Here comes Skip from your left. Right back down on the deck. You can hear 400 horsepower. Oh my gosh, look at that. Pulling back, snapping the aircraft. Skip experiencing at least 8 G's on that pull-up. That's 8 times the force of gravity. Skip comes back around from your right in Prometheus. Here he comes, Skip Stuart. Now you'll look out at show center. We've got ribbons out there. Skip is coming right for him. And he's got it. Perfect ribbon cut, inverted at show center. Skip Stuart in Prometheus. Pushing negative G's as he goes vertical once again. Skip comes over the top. Straight down the 45-degree line. Look at this, a knife edge. Now watch this, folks. This is engine power, 400 horse. Gonna keep that plane from coming all the way down the ground. Look at that. That plane should be falling out of the sky right now. That's horsepower and a whole lot of skill. Watch this, ladies and gentlemen, as Skip rolls the aircraft and turns at the same time. Talk about a lot of stick and rudder coordination. Now watch this. This is something you only see in a radio-controlled aircraft. Watch this. Skip's going to take Prometheus straight up and literally turn it into a helicopter. Look at this, folks. The plane still in position. It's not falling. It's hovering. He's turned that aircraft literally into a helicopter. The smoke is not even moving.
Oh, Joe, that's awesome.
Oh my gosh, folks. That's unbelievable. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Skip Stuart and Prometheus. Wow. Pulling negative G's in the vertical upline. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Again, the strap's the only thing holding Skip into the airplane. Trying to force him out of the top as he brings that aircraft straight back down. Now, watch him again as he comes to show center. Rolls the aircraft around, leading off a little bit of airspeed. And a nice, easy touchdown. Most pitch pilots will tell you probably the most difficult thing about flying a pitch biplane is landing a little son of a gun. It has